Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can easily create your own set of flashcards. Of course you can use your own piece of software to create your flashcards. It could be PowerPoint, Google Slides, any other program that you are familiar with, but there's an easy tool online that can help you in this process. So you only need to go to flashcard.online, right? Flashcard.online. This online tool will help you design your own flashcards. So just click on Start Now, and you have some predetermined templates. So for example, let's pretend I'm going to be making some flashcards about animals. So write animals. I can choose a number of flashcards. For example, as this is just a demonstration, I will be making 2. It can be only text or pictures plus text. So I usually prefer to have both. So I'm going to select picture plus text, go next. And here you upload the image and write down your text. So for example, I need to find pictures of animals. Let's look for cat. And then you write cat. And then we need a dog. Okay, this one will work well. And then just save it as a PDF. So click on free download. And there you go. You see you have the flashcards, and the program itself adjusts the size of the images, so you don't have to struggle with that. So I hope you find this tool helpful as you design your own flashcards.